Hi everyone, I'm Mindy and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts November 2023 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. In the video today, I will walk you through the contents of each kit and share inspiration from the creative team. Our theme this month is Holiday Mail Art, perfect for not only creating holiday cards but dressing up the outside of your envelope as well. The Classic Kit includes a 6x8 mail art clear stamp, 28 coordinating dies, 2 postage stamp frame fancy dies, 1 sheet of hero transfers, 27 assorted envelopes in red, craft, and white, varying in sizes of A1, A2, and A7 envelopes, 10 sheets of blank washi sticker paper, and 4 wax seal stickers. The Premium Kit includes everything from the Classic plus a 3x4 Peeking Critters clear stamp set, 2 color layering snowflake stencils, 2 sheets of hero transfers, and 2 ink cubes in the colors Pool Party Reactive Ink and Misty Core Ink. Included in each of our kits is an informational sheet that explains the contents of each of the kits and also gives you card examples to get you started. And as I mentioned earlier, there are 27 assorted envelopes in red, craft, and white. So these vary in the sizes of A1, A2, and A7 envelopes. This is such a great addition to the kit because not only can you create amazing cards for the holiday season, but you have the envelopes all ready to go to mail them out. Then we have a set of 4 wax seals, and the sentiments included on here are Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. There's also a removable backer sheet that you can take off to expose the adhesive and stick these right to your projects. If you plan on mailing them, I would put them in another envelope so they don't come off in the mail sorter. The washi sticker paper included in the kit is great for creating your own stickers, so it's safe to stamp on, use for die cutting, or mixed media style projects for texture. There will be inspiration shown at the end of the video where team members use it to seal their envelopes. The included transfer sheets contain a nice variety of sentiments printed in black and can be used on any color of cardstock. With the straight lines, this would make it super easy to trim out to thin strips and add them to the front of your cards or envelopes. Plus, mix and match your messages for more personal of a sentiment. Now we come to the large 6x8 stamp set, which has all these adorable critters on here. We have a variety of owls, there's some letters, little mice carrying presents. There is also the mailbox where it looks like the mice is going to be mailing some letters. So great for scene building. We also have a variety of sentiments on here, such as Merry Christmas, Who's Got Mail, Wishing You Owl the Joy, Delivered by Owl Post, Have a Magical Christmas, Hoot Hoot, Happy Holidays to You, and Special Holiday Delivery. There's also the coordinating die set that cuts out many of these images and also some sentiments. And then there is the 2 postage dies, which is great for creating your own postage look on the front of your card projects. Next, we can take a closer look at the contents from the Premium Kit. So starting with these 2 sheets of hero transfers that come in these fun color of presents and string of lights. We also have this adorable 3x4 mini stamp set with these cute little peeking critters. We also have the speech bubble there that any one of these sentiments would fit inside. Sending love, happy holidays, to you, hello there, and Merry Christmas. And your speech bubble can go either way depending on the orientation of your character. And last but not least, we have the layering snowflake stencil. It's a 2-piece stencil. We have the registration marks in the corners for easy alignment, and this is great for not only card fronts, but also your envelopes. This kit is so packed with product that you will knock out these holiday cards in no time. Now we'll take a look at some inspiration from the creative team featuring both the Classic and Premium Kit option. You'll be able to see how they used the images to do their card fronts and also envelopes. There'll be examples of the washi paper to create a seal for your envelopes. We are also having a blog hop celebrating the release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are gone and not restocked. But if you become a subscriber today, that will guarantee you a kit. You'll receive special discounts and free shipping on your kit. Plus, sign up for the Hero Arts Rewards program to earn even more discounts and special offers. Thank you so much for spending time with us today, and we can't wait to see what you create with the kit.